At first glance of this picture, one of the first things you may be thinking is this just another picture of teammates fist bumping during a football game. Pretty common and highly likely to see if you ever look through pictures of any past games, high school, college, professional, whatever it may be. You see the red turf field down here, and you also see the red walls and the black curtain. So obviously it's not a home game for us because you notice the powder blue and gold jerseys on our bodies. You also see one of my coaches in shorts and short sleeves, so it must be nice wherever we are. You see a player in full pads, water running down his jersey and his hair messed up from the sweat with his fist up. You also see a player with no pads, ball cap on his head, and his fist up as well. This picture was seemingly just taken before or just after the fist bump had taken place. Another thing you may notice is we have distanced ourselves from the rest of the team who is in the background, walking the other direction from everyone's helmet facing that way. That's me. I'm number 55, and this is my teammate Spencer, number 36. What you may not realize is that Spencer and I have been classmates ever since the beginning of school, which preschool or pre-K. We were juniors in high school at this time and in the middle of our state championship football game in the Dakota Dome in Vermillion, South Dakota. Something else you may not realize is that Spencer has special needs, and that is the reason he wasn't with us on that field that day. Spencer and I started a tradition that year that every time I would come off the field, I could find him on either end of the team on the sideline. He would always have a bottle of water in his hand, and we would exchange a fist bump. Something else you do not see is that Spencer is the reason I got into my major of special education. Working with him every day on the football field, just being around his personality was contagious, something I wanted to do for a very long time.